Hi everyone. Today I will explain you how to manage exam module in my smart school. If you don't find exam module in main menu, go to settings, then click on master entry. Here, click on user permissions, then select exam module and get detail. Here you need to enable all these three and assign the permission to a specific user. Here we are selecting admin. Then update the permission. It's updated successfully. Close it and refresh the page. When you refresh, you find here exam module and all three menus are available here. So before going to or creating different exam for your schools, you need to assign the subject of different class and section in academic. So this is prerequisite to assign subjects. So go to manage sections. If you have not assigned the, for example, here we are assigned some subjects in first A, first B and first C. So you need to assign the subjects. Then go to again exam module. Here click on new exam. Select the exam name. For example, we are creating for FA1, and here you need to select the session. Then you need to select the class. For example, we are selecting first, second, third. You can select single class or multiple class at a time. So as many you can select it. Here the all the section of these class will be available, and let's select all the section. Here you will find that there are no subject. It's mean you have not assigned the subject. When we are selecting the multiple class or multiple section at the same time, they must have the same some common subjects. So we are selecting only first class here, first ABC, then we find some subjects here. So let's let's create the exam for English for class 1 first ABC, and this is our mode is offline. There are two type of evaluation time. Means this exam is mark based or grade based. So you can select either grade based or marks based as you wish. So let's first create the marks based exam with marks based. So for example, we create this for 40 marks. Here the evaluator means the teacher or the person who enter the marks for this exam. So it's better to select the class teachers to enter. You can also select from this list here any subject teacher also. But when you are selecting multiple class at the same time, for example these class, so it will be better to select the just class teacher. If we select a particular person for that, for example this teachers, then only all three class exam of this English will be available in this teacher account. So it will be better to select the class teacher. Here this is a start date. This date also shown in will also shown on the student page or student login. Means parents can see the scheduled date of their exam, and this is the end time, or we can say a window. This start time is just for showing the when their exam will be, and this end time will be used to show the grade or marks of the students. Here you can select the release grade after exam window end time, or immediately or later review, because the first two are for online exams. So we can select this after exam window end time. Means when we select this the exam window here, for example we are selecting this exam will be on 21st April, and let's we select some time, and for example 10 a.m. and then exam window means we want to show this exam marks to the student for a particular date, for example 1st of May at 10 a after 10 a.m. So like that, you can select anyone anytime. And here we selected the after exam window time. Here you need to schedule the exam. If you select the show exam only in teacher, it will only show in teacher app. And you can select here from teacher and student for both. If you want to show for both, so you need to select this column, this option. And we have selected this exam, show exam in teacher and student. So let's save the exam. The exam created successfully. Now we can check here this exam, update exam. So we have created this FA1 for class first ABC and 40 marks, and all detail will be shown here. Like this, we have already created some exam. Now we will see how a teacher will enters the marks for a particular exam. So let's go to the class teacher of first A. I will login in that. So here this is a class teacher account, and we need to go to evaluation and marks, exam marks entry. Here you will find all these exam we have already created. For example, recently we have created this English subject formative assessment, and then get search. Here you will find that the all the list of that class student available, and the maximum marks also shown here. You need to fill just those obtained marks. For let's see, fill some marks. For example, maximum, be careful, it will not take above maximum. So we will enter some random numbers. And now save the exam. The marks are saved successfully. You can again check here from clicking and searching the, so all marks are saved successfully. Now we can if we want to go and see that if marks are visible to the particular student or not, so we will go here from here to a student account, and you can see that here exam section of parents section. So here in exam section there are two options: upcoming exam and completed exam. So click on upcoming exam. Here are all these exam are upcoming, means in future date. For example, these are all are in future date. And the completed example, when we see these completed exam, these are already completed and their marks are also shown. If you don't want to show these marks to the student, then you need to don't allow here, go to exam and update exam again. And for example, we have created this so for in this exam, don't allow student to show these. So here you can just schedule exam in either in teachers app or after later after manual. So if you select any of these two things, the exam will not shown to the student. So in this way you can fill and create the whole exam of your schools. Now I want to show another option with the grade type. So you need to first of all you need to create a grade. For example, we have already created two grades, co-scholastic and a grade. So you need to just to enter here grade name, for example primary grade, and here you need to direct grade and add the grade. When you add the grade, it will shown here, and click on grade detail. You need to fill these grade here. For example, I will fill these A plus or A, any you want to add this. And again I want to just one more B, and you can also be A plus A, B plus B, like that. So I am creating just simple ABC. And after creating the when you have created all these required, you need to lock this. So check this button and lock the grade. It will not change later. So lock this and okay, and the grade is available now. when you see again here grade detail, you see that there is no edit button here. So after log you can use it in exam. So now I will create another exam for a new exam. Go to new exam, and for example I will create a any, for example, activity 1 or anyone you just want to, or for example here class, you can select any class, 1 or 2, any, and just select the, for example, EVS, and then here you need to grade base. So grade base here are we have recently created primary grade. So only those grade will shown here that are locked. So just primary grade, and all other things remain same, and I have just saved it. Exam saved successfully. Now again check how the marks or grade will be filled to the student. So go to again I will go to pay teacher account, and again click on evaluation, then exam marks entry, and here you will find the again the next environment EVS activity 1 we have recently created this, and search it. So here you will find just drop down box of their the available grade. So you need to just fill these like this. So it is very easy. And you can fill and save this. The all marks or grades are saved successfully. You can again check here if you want to see, and this will be like this. So it's a very easy and efficient way to manage your examination, create exam, and just from starting of session fill your all marks here, and later on your report card will be generated automatically. So in the next video I will explain you. You can check our another video regarding how to create report card and how to fetch these all marks, and creating all others reports regarding exams. So thank you for watching.